Quick little video of what I'm doing now with my car. I'm installing wireless charger for the car. Already switched over my USB 12 volt outlet. I know I need to push that in more. This is what it looks like here.
Parking mode off.
Comes with the connector there. One that plugs into the 12 volt outlet, and the other end will plug into the body side of the 12 volt outlet. Pretty simple. Alright, so I got just plugged in just for right now. See these little lights. I don't know how well you guys can see the little light there, but it'll flash blue and white, then it'll go to white. Then you can sit your phone down or anything that is wireless. I don't know if I got anything in my pocket. Let's see, hold on. Alright, so I got a pair of earbuds that are wireless. And you see how it's charging it now. Let me take it off. So the light will change. It's blue. Now it's white. Let me see if I can trade hands real quick. Lights up blue to let you know it's connected and charging. So if you're interested in buying one of these wireless charger, I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to buy it. Thanks for watching.